Hi, I'm Dave with Heise, and today we will be going over the battery, USB, and SD card installation on our Heise PTE-2 Handheld Calibrator. In order to access the battery compartment on the rear of the handheld calibrator, loosen the strap assembly by detaching the Velcro and move the strap to the side. Open the battery compartment by loosening the Phillips head screw and gently lift the battery door up and towards the top of the calibrator for removal. The handheld calibrator requires 4 AA batteries. Make sure to observe polarity markings when installing the batteries and always use new batteries. Reinstall the battery door in the reverse order and tighten down the Phillips head screw. The USB cable COM port is located under the access cover on the right-hand side of the handheld calibrator. Remove the access cover by unscrewing the Phillips screw. Insert the included micro USB cable into the port and connect the other end into the USB protection adapter before connecting to the computer. The SD card slot is also located next to the USB port under the access cover. Before entering any hazardous environments, make sure to secure the access door as well as the battery door to maintain intrinsic safety. In this video, we reviewed how to access the USB and SD ports on the PTE-2 Handheld Calibrator. Check out our website at www.heise.com or give us a call at 203-378-8281.